Yes, hello, good day, everyone. I trust we are doing great. I trust our day was awesome. Right, today I'd like to welcome you to the day two of our 5-day smartphone profitability masterclass with Andy Mandate. According to our schedule, today we are supposed to move into video creation. Yesterday was phenomenal in the self-hacking session. Right, from today we are going to get more practical, right, into video creation. Whatever art you have mastered, how do you begin to create video lessons using certain mobile tools, okay, mobile phone tools. Quickly, all I'm doing today, I'm doing on an Android device, okay. Remember, even in the free class, I told us that there are 3 basic steps in creating a video lesson, right? The type I want to show you right now, okay. Number 1 is using WPS to create your presentation, which is what I will do first in this video. The second one is to use your FaceTime recording app to deliver your presentation, and thirdly is to edit your video, just to put finishing touches to it and make sure it is very good, okay, and excellent for your for the general public. So now quickly let's move into creating video lessons. Now there are also 3 things that you need to know in creating video lessons, right? Every video lesson, the first one I expounded on it during the free class, is first of all you need to come up with what I call your behavioral objective. In education we call it behavioral objectives. Now this refers to the outcome of your training, what you want to do, the video you want to create. What is the outcome? This is having the end in mind. What do you want the learner or your client to be able to do at the end of this training? It is very important because it's going to help you with the second step, which is collecting your content, where you need to collect images, videos. You need to download images and get videos ready, even creating the text, right? Because you understand what you want to, where you want to get the listener or the learner to, you'll be able to collect appropriate content for that particular behavioral objective, right? This is a place where you go to download images, videos to use for your presentation, right? The third one is to go straight into creating your presentation. Now for this particular lesson, I have already mapped out my behavioral objective, because what I want to do is to help you master the art of video creation, right? So I already collected my content, right? Even though let me see, I guess we're going to be creating something amazing, right? And I already collected my content. Now I'm moving straight into creating my presentation, and the app we're using is WPS, okay? If you don't have it installed, go to your app store. On the search bar, click on and type in WPS. You'll find it there to download for Android and iOS users, right? So this is my app. I'm going to click it to open, right, and wait for it to load. Okay, I'm already working on something here, that's why it's up, but I'm going to end that so that you'll see how it comes. Okay, yours might not display this way because we're all using different mobile device, but it will definitely be similar to this. Okay, then you click on this plus sign here and go to new presentation. It brings out this several options. We are using new presentation, right? And our layout pops up, right? We have our layout. Now we can start working, putting our content together. Now this plus sign you are seeing here is what enables you to add up more slides to your presentation, okay? So if you want to do a whiteboard presentation where you need to write on your screen, you can go ahead and use this particular template, okay? But if what you're creating, you don't really like this template and you can't go into creating templates, there are tools you could use here to create a good template for yourself. If you are using an iPhone has more templates, okay? But Android device don't have this kind of template. But not to worry, I got a way out for you, right? You can download templates online. So quickly, let's say I want to create something and I don't have the template I want. I can quickly go on Google, right? I'm going to use Google, and quickly you can type in WPS PPT template, that's PowerPoint template, okay? And go to look for free download, right? Click it, allow it to load, right? And you have different templates. Some are premium templates, which is on their paid program, some are free. Okay, but for this lesson I'll be downloading only the one that is free. I'll be using the one that is free. I'll leave out the premium aspect. Okay, so let's say what I want. Let me see. I'll go back to home. Okay, I was already on this site before, so let me click home so that it takes me home. I don't want this particular presentation here. Okay, yes, so it has taken me to the home page. I have different templates here that I could download quickly. So you can click on any one and download a template. Okay, once you see the one that is free, just click it and download it. I already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again. So I'm just going to quickly move to my WPS and continue, because I already have it downloaded. But once you download it, you can quickly open it and continue using it. Okay, so since I already have it downloaded, I'm going to end this right now. I'll show you what I have. See, I have a time management template already waiting for me to use. I believe you enjoyed yesterday's presentation, the template I used. Okay, I actually created that one using my iPhone, right? So, but this is on an Android device. You can search the net for different templates. So I'll click on edit. You can begin working on this. If you really like it, you can change different things. So team training, let's say I'm making this 5-day smartphone profitability training, or if it's a math class, whatever it is you are teaching. Let's say how to bake. Let's say I'm a caterer, so how to bake, right? This is my class, how to bake. That's what I want to show people in this class, how to bake, right? You can decide to add up, maybe change this also, edit to tools. That's why you need to come up with your content before now. Tools, and sorry, my recording app is coming up, that's why. Let me move it up here. Yes, tools and skills, right? Whatever it is you want to use down there, you can go ahead. Now that is that. With that, you can move to the next slide. You can add up pictures. So let's assume I want to add up picture. Let's say this is my welcome page, right? I want to add up a picture at this stage. Okay, this is like content where you can put up your content, what the learner is expected to learn at the end of this class. Okay, you see the tools. We have several tools down here you can use to insert pictures and everything that you have. So I'm going to click on that to possibly maybe insert a picture. I'm going to wait for it to load, and once it comes up, let's say I click on welcome. I already have that image downloaded. That's why you must have images downloaded, right? So you can have this here, just play around with it, let your mind work. Okay, this particular color is not really working for my background. Okay, so you can decide to download something better on the internet. Whatever you're looking for, search for it on the internet and download the image, right? You keep moving, keep adjusting everything to suit your presentation. Okay, that is how we create a WPS presentation using already downloaded templates, like what I did yesterday and what I've been doing that you all have been seeing. So you just manipulate, keep creating your slides, keep creating your slides till you get to the end of your slide. Okay, you can use a template. Like I said, if you want to use whiteboard, you can use the first one I showed you. I showed you. You can use that one where you can. Okay, let me show you quickly when you are presenting where you can pick pen. Let's assume I'm done creating and I want to play, right? You click on play, first page, right? It will change the orientation, and this is what I have, first page, right? How to bake, right? This particular slide came with animation, right? And I'm going to show us how to include animations to our presentation. Okay, so but for now, this one already came with animation, how to bake. Now this is the next slide. We'll keep going. So if I want to use a pen, let's assume I'm using whiteboard, just click, you see pen, you can pick it and you can highlight, you can create emphasis, and you keep moving, keep delivering your presentation This is where you now use your FaceTime app and it puts your face up there and you are delivering your lesson. This is amazing. So thousands of free templates and paid templates on the internet you can use. I trust you have gotten value for your time. I'd like to stop here in order not to make this so long. It's already 10 minutes. Okay, so but if you have any question, please feel free to ask me questions. I would like you to try these things out right away. Try it out using the WPS download template. But first of all, like I said, you must come up with the behavioral objective, what you want to teach. Okay, that was why we had yesterday's session of self-hacking, right? What do you want to teach? Collect your content for it and begin creating your presentation. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me.